Hey guys, welcome back with another brand new and exciting strategy. In this video, I'm going to share with you that how you can make it possible to make $438.75 per day using this simple trick that I'm going to share with you with this video. So the method that I'm going to share with you is really unique and really fascinating. You have never seen before this method, and I'm going to share with you two different ways actually that you can make money from that. So of course that will be free method and also paid method, means there will be two different methods that I will share you in this video, and you can simply watch the video to the very end, and then you can simply implement and start making money from that right away here. So we are going to use different contents and different websites together, so in that way we can maximize the result from that. So basically it will be fully CPA marketing tutorial that you can simply work from home, and it is a work from home job that you can simply promote the CPA offers right away here. So whether you are using the AdWork media or you're using the CPA Grape or CPA Lead or OfferVault, any network that you are using or preparing, so it depends on you. You can basically use that and you can start making money. The exact method that I'm going to share with you is in this video right here that you need to watch. So let's begin the strategy that how exactly it's working. So I'm going to share with you step by step right away here. So the first and important thing is that you need to sign up with one of these network if you are promoting your contents from these websites. So once you sign up for a free account right here, then you can simply log into your account right here. For example, I log into the CPA lead account right here, so I can find out the best product or the best offer in CPA marketing right away here. So what I need to do, I can simply scroll down, or I can change the country or filter the country into all, or choose a specific country like US and others. So any category or any country you are targeting, so you can simply choose that right away here. So basically I will just leave it like all the country. So there are different offers right here that you can simply promote right here. For example, on fires are those products that is trending, many people are promoting, and they're giving good result right away here. So if you want to promote that, you can also promote. But if you want to have a specific product right here, so we can simply see here that there are a lot of products right here that we can simply just want to promote. For example, any product, so we can simply choose it right here. So there are different products right here. Let me choose one of these. For example, this is the product. This is a unique product. Get a dream job with LF. The greatness about this offer is right here that is available in all devices. Means if you prepare someone into your link, for example, so when they are using the smartphone, PC, or laptop, anything like that, so they can simply sign up. Means all devices available, so there is more conversion possibility. And this right here, it's a survey job, for example, right here, and the country is US right here. And another coolest part is right here that they are paying more money, something like $5.25 actually for conversion right here. So if we want to promote this product right here, so basically we can simply click on the product and we can grab our CPA link from there, and then we can simply start promoting the offer right here from that, from this right here. So for that reason, we just need to copy the link from here. Once we copy the link from here, the next step will be that we can simply convert into a free landing page, something like you need to create a free landing page right here. For example, you need to go to the Linktree account right here. So basically this is the URL or the website named Linktree. You need to just search in the Google, and then you will be visited to a website something like this, and need to add your button link right here, means the title and the link, so that will show something like this. And you can add the image, you can add a short description right here that people can understand that what it is all about right here. So basically I use the gift card right here, but you can simply use uh, whatever is related to your content or related to your CPA offer right here. For example, you can simply choose it right here. For example, that is get a dream job with LF. So you need to talk about in the description about jobs or work from home or something like that right here. So in that way, people can understand that it's all about jobs, for example. that people can find it out right here. So once you set up with this right here, then you can simply copy the main URL from the top right here from the link tree, and you can start promoting that. So how we can promote that? What will be the best way to promote? So in the first, I will show you the paid method, and after that, I'm going to share with you the free method that how we can do that. And the paid method, we just need to go to this website, Craigslist.org. Okay, Craigslist.org. Remember, you don't need to just go to any website. There are many websites similar to Craigslist, but that is Craigslist.org. Once you go there, the next step will be that you can simply choose your location right here. So whatever the location you want, for example, any state in the US, if you are promoting your content into US, so basically you need to choose the category, sorry, the country, US right here. As you can simply see here, this is about the US right here. So we need to promote with US. And we need to choose a state. For example, I just selected Chicago in the United States right here. But if it is other cities, you can simply choose US cities, US state, for example, Canada, and worldwide is also available. Means if you just click right away here, then you can simply find it out any other countries that you can simply promote your offer into them right here. So basically this method is for every country. If you are promoting, you need to choose the location right here. So once you just choose the location right here, Chicago right here, you will have the option like create a posting right here. You just need to click on the create posting. Once you click on the create posting, so this page will be available right here. They choose the location that fits best. So I have already choose Chicago. Then I can simply select city of Chicago right here. So once I click on that, then I will visit to this page right here that they can simply tell me that what type of posting is this. For example, please limit each posting a single area and category once for 48 hours. So basically it is very good thoughts right here that they have tell you directly that you can simply post in one location and 48 hour once only. If you just post multiple times, so your account will be banned and you will be restricted. So it is better to just post one post per 48 hours in one location right here. So basically we have chosen the Chicago, city of Chicago right here, and then we can simply tell people the job offered. We can simply select this right here and click on the continue. Then we can simply choose the category, whatever the category is. That basically we are using the category of the job. Then we can simply choose business management or something like that, and then click on the continue. Then we will be visiting this page right here. So this is really important, this page that we need to optimize right here, and we can simply promote our contents by this. So here is the post title. You need to add city or neighborhood means the location. So we can add Chicago and postal code. Here is the description you need to write. Here is the employment type, for example, job title, compensation, company name, and more information right away here, and then click on the continue. So for the shortage of this video, I can simply add it a little bit quickly. As you can simply see here, I just added right here. For example, posting title is get a dream job with LF. It is Chicago. This is postal code. I have just searched in the Google. So basically they just brought me and I just added right here this one. So it is very simple. And then I just added, for example, hello everyone. We are announcing our top dream job opportunity for the first 75 people. It is exciting to have this opportunity only for US people. Uh, the key point for this position will be to earn $2,000 plus by playing COD Warzone. Is anyone interested in this golden opportunity? Click here. In here will be your Linktree link that you need to post it right here. Then thanks and see you inside. And the name is Iris right here. And here you can simply choose this type, for example, full-time, part-time. I just use part-time right here. And then I simply select the title, get a dream job, compensation, yes, company name, LF. And here you select this one. And the final step will be that you need to just click on the continue. Once you click on the continue, so they will automatically send you a message right away to your inbox. And remember, you need to add your you need to add your, for example, your email address. So that will be the unique email address that you are using and that have to be active right here. So you need to add it right here. So once you click on the continue, they will send you an email to your inbox, and you just need to just add the email, open the email, and just open the application, and you are required to just pay $5 or $7 or $8. You need to pay for that per promotion on this location. So once you do with that, so automatically your post will be live on the Chicago, and that will be in the category of job right here, and that will be a clickable link. Anyone who are searching on the job category, they click on that, so they will basically have uh, a great opportunity for themselves to have a dream job, and they need to pay the survey, something like that, and then we can just start making money whenever they sign up right here, $5, something like that per person. So if only one person sign up, so we have earned our money that we have spent it on the ads right here. So basically it's a unique method. And about this Craigslist.com, so if we just search and the similar web, so they're getting millions of views every single month on this website right here, and most of the traffic is coming from the United States right here, like 98% of the traffic is coming from the United States. If you just search, for example, Craigslist, Chicago.craigslist.com, something like that, so there are more people that it's coming to this website from only the United States. So that it is a targeted traffic that we have just chosen for our product that we are promoting right away here. So it will be a good opportunity for us to promote right here. So this is the pre-topic. So you can simply implement and you can see the result at the back side right here. So about the pre-method, so it's a little bit delay method and postponed method actually right here, but it is also and definitely working. So this is the classified ads.com. So basically it is a great opportunity for us that we can simply promote our contents for absolutely free on these types of classified ads website. The first step is that you need to sign up for the website. Once you sign up right here, the next step will be that you can simply post the ad, click on the post ad, and you can just post ad on this website and choose targeted location. When whatever the location you need, you can simply need it. So hope you like the method and you are interested with that. If you like it, please don't forget to hit the like button. If you want to have a full step-by-step training that how you can make money online from E to Z, from the first step and to the last step, and there will be a 400 plus free traffic sources that you can simply promote your contents by just clicking one click into 400 plus free traffic sources. Check out the first link in the description and you can learn step by step right away there. So thank you for watching till next brand video. See you awesome with enjoyable moments.